Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will discuss Tome App. Tome App is an artificially intelligence powered storytelling format. It is an app used to generate entire narratives and transform documents into elegant presentations. It can automatically generate PowerPoint slides. Now, how we can do this? Let's see. So, in Google, write down Tome App. We'll have to click the first link. So it will ask that what should we call you and choose your role. So let's say I'm picking up as educator. Next, it will create the profile, your workspace name. So let's give the name presentation. Continue to workspace. So you can copy this referral link and you can get 50 credits. And if you want to continue, you can continue from here. This referral link, you can send it to your friends and get the 50 credits. So at present, you are having 500 credits. Now there are some ready-made format templates which are available. You click on create. So it will ask the title. So I want to make the slides on global warming. So click here, click create presentation about. Let us wait for some time. So I want to make the presentation for global warming. Make 10 slides. Enter. It will start making the presentation. You can see here 10 slides are ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will also give you the images. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Moreover, you can also add the text, image, and connect it to Dali. You can connect video, cafe, table, connect it to Figma and Airtable from here. Let's see what are the other options available. Yeah, you can record your narrations also, and you can set the theme. Now you can share this PowerPoint presentation by clicking here, share. Now you can click here. You can duplicate the slides, rename, and even you can export to PDF. Let's see, export to PDF. So it asks for upgradation plans. So this is a way you can generate the PowerPoint slides using artificial intelligence using Tome App. For more videos on artificial intelligence, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many AI apps.